We've gone through this series so far, building out different components on our page, but without necessarily putting them in order. So as we look at this page, we see the slider at the top, and then the header, and then the footer. And this sort of happened organically as we focused on different parts of the page that were simpler than others or related in some way to other parts. I think taking this approach ends up allowing us to see the separation and independence of each individual component on the page. But we're getting to the point where we're building towards our final layout. We have many of the components and sections on the page already squared away. So let's reorder the sections on the page to reflect what will actually be in the final template. So I'm going to jump to our index file, and let's start from the top down. So first we need a header. Here it is right here. So I'll cut this and put it right after the body tag. Next, if we look at our mockup, we have our top slider, and here's that. Next, we have our qualities section. I'll do a quick search on the page for qualities. I'll cut this and put it below our slideshow. Next, we have the written by our team section. I'll do a quick search again, and I'll paste it below the quality section. Next is our contact us form. I'll cut this out. And next we have our footer, which is right here. Okay, let's check this out in the browser. I'll refresh. Okay. So things look good. I can see we need maybe a little bit more spacing in certain areas, maybe a little bit more at the bottom of these hero sections, but it's kind of just touch up. The only thing that needs layout attention at this point is our header and our slider here, at least with small screens. Let's tackle the header first.